Tired of dull car paint and endless hand polishing? Today, I'm showing you the 5 best car buffer polishers on Amazon that can make your car shine like new. I'll cover what makes each one worth it, plus a few pros and cons so you know exactly which to choose. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick, DeWalt Buffer Polisher. The DeWalt DWP-849X Buffer Polisher is a powerful and reliable tool for anyone serious about car detailing. Its 12-amp motor delivers smooth and consistent performance, while the variable speed dial, 0 to 3,500 revolutions per minute, allows for great control on different surfaces. The 7 to 9-inch pads make it ideal for covering large areas quickly, and the ergonomic design with rubber grips keeps it comfortable during long use. One downside is its weight. It's a bit heavy, which can cause fatigue during extended sessions. However, the durability, precision, and professional finish it provides make it a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and detailing pros. Number 2. My second best pick, Chemical Guys Random Orbital Polisher. The Chemical Guys BUF_503X Random Orbital Polisher Kit is a solid all-in-one detailing machine that's well suited for automotive enthusiasts. With a powerful 700W motor and 8mm orbital throw, it handles swirl removal, polishing, and finishing with ease. The inclusion of pre-matched compounds and pads means you're ready to roll out of the box. A major plus is the comprehensive kit. Saves you the hassle of sourcing each accessory separately. Another advantage, its dual-action design makes it safer on clear coats compared to a direct-drive polisher. On the downside, some users report occasional hazing if the wrong pad/compound combo is used or if you linger in one spot too long, so it demands a bit of technique. If you're willing to learn and apply correctly, this kit offers excellent value and performance. Number 3. My third best pick, Milwaukee Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless. The Milwaukee 2738 to 20M 18 Fuel 7 Variable Speed Polisher is a standout for detailing pros and serious DIYers alike. With its brushless motor and cordless design, it offers impressive freedom, no cords dragging across your vehicle, while delivering the kind of finish you'd expect from a shop setup. The variable speed dial and trigger let you dial in precise speeds, up to 200 RPM, for different paint surfaces. Its ergonomic build and weight distribution also make long polishing sessions more comfortable. On the flip side, since it's sold tool-only, you'll need to already own or budget for compatible batteries and a charger. Also, if you're polishing a large fleet or doing heavy-duty compounding, runtime per charge may be less than a corded unit. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Porter Cable Buffer Polisher. The Porter Cable 7424 XP 6-inch Variable Speed Random Orbit Polisher is a reliable choice for both beginners and seasoned detailers. Its 4.5-amp motor and variable speed dial, 2,500 to 6,800 OPM, provide versatility for various polishing tasks. The random orbital motion ensures a swirl-free finish, making it user-friendly and safe for delicate paintwork. The ergonomic design, weighing just 5.5 pounds, reduces user fatigue during extended use. However, some users have noted that the upper speed dial may occasionally skip, affecting precise speed adjustments. Overall, the 7424 XP offers excellent value for those seeking a dependable polisher for automotive and marine projects. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, SBTA Buffer Polisher. The SBTA 5-inch dual-action random orbital polisher offers a solid balance between affordability and performance, making it a great choice for DIY car enthusiasts. Its 750W motor delivers consistent power, and the 6-speed control dial allows for versatile applications, from waxing to paint correction. The kit includes a variety of pads, compounds, and accessories, providing everything needed to get started. Users have noted its comfortable hand feel and smooth operation, even during extended use. However, some users have reported that the polisher can run warm after prolonged use, and the included accessories, such as the sanding discs and compounds, may not be of the highest quality. Additionally, the short power cord can limit mobility during use. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite car buffer polisher? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.